Dang it.
Wait a second, we can
Let's get it.
This is Juan.
And this is Stephanie.
Oh my goodness. And together we make...
Each other.
Today we're going to show you guys how to make Mexican, well, kind of Mexican, street tacos, shrimp tacos. And it's super good, super easy, and just keep watching. Okay. So to be making the cilantro lime sauce, you'll need sour cream, extra olive oil, salt, cilantro, green onion, water, garlic, and 2 lemons. And all the exact measurements will be in the description below.
For the seasoning of the shrimp, you will need chili powder, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and sea salt.
Go ahead.
And for the toppings of these tacos, you're going to need coleslaw, avocado, limes, and tortillas.
So we're just adding a little oil to fry our shrimp. So we're gonna get it until it gets really hot, which is kind of hot right now. How good these shrimps come out to be. Now I only cook, and this is an amount for 6 people, and no one's going to exaggerate with the amount. I think everybody can get 3 per taco, or maybe a little more. Maybe like, oh snap. It's okay, we clean the area. Okay, the shrimps are looking pretty good. Look at that beautifulness. Look how cute our shrimps look. Cooking away. Oh my god, it smells so good.
Yeah.
Are you getting my toes? Oh, you're doing a thumbnail.
That's a thumbnail.
Wait, do it again,
Never put your food on high just so it doesn't like up. Not that one. Wait, I put the spatula that we needed. Don't worry, didn't touch it.
Put it away.
So we're gonna use this to hold our stuff. Put our oil back because you always want to clean up. I think their shrimps are almost ready to flip. Woo! See, once you see it turn pink, hold on. Oh my gosh, it's like sliding away. Once you see it turn pink is where you know it's going to be ready. Now Juan is going to flip all those over.
I'm gonna do a taste test.
He's going to do a taste test.
Wait,
record us for more.
Cumin. We're gonna make shrimp tacos.
Clean up y'all stations. Is it recording us? Yes. So now we're going to cut some avocado. Though this is not the prettiest avocado, but none of the avocados are like really clean right now. And ignore my nails, okay? So we're gonna ready?
wait.
Oh no!
Ew, your shirt, Bill.
I'm not even gonna lie.
Okay. So here.
Wait, why is it all over the
Wait, that's actually cute. Wait. Oh, wait. Leave it.
It's spilling all over the floor.
Wait,
Put it closer to her mouth.
I don't want it to hit you.
Okay, go put it closer to her mouth. Like,
Yeah.
closer to her mouth. Okay, you gonna get it?
No, I like the first one better than the one you
Okay,
guys just said.
fine. seasoning taste good or, huh? Now I just already cut these in halves and I'm going to cut them into slices so they'll be easier to put on the taco. I have a little bit of cabbage just because they complement the shrimp, but see, I don't, that's when they're going to be the best because they're going to have like that crunch. So we're going to cook this. And look how good our shrimps are looking. You can talk now. Okay, you're even turning it?
Yeah, I flipped it. These shrimps look real good. Can't wait to tear them up. We're keeping the shrimps on low so they won't burn. And when you see the shrimps get pink like that, that's perfect. That means they're ready. You don't want to overdo it.
We're adding cabbage to the tortillas. Then we're going to add 3 shrimps to each taco. There we go. You're gonna go ahead and make the sauce. Look how cute they're gonna look. So now we're gonna add some avocados. Just gonna add one to this one right here in the middle. Oh man, you just fix it. It's okay, I can touch it because it's my family. Okay, now we're gonna add just a tiny touch of cilantro. Just a tiny touch. Okay, and then now we're going to add the sauce. Oh man. Wait, maybe a little more sauce. So there you have it. This is how we made our shrimp taco. And Juan gets to have the first bite. Okay, go.
3 minutes.
Ah, did you ah! Fail. So good. Is it good? Really? Now I'm gonna try it. Is it like super good?
I don't have my food, so.
It's good.
You guys look dysfunctional.
That's okay, keep recording. You're still chewing?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, go ahead.
Like and subscribe, and please comment down below what else you want us to make, and we'll do it.